So we've got some fish on the go today. Now, usually when you do fish fry, it's like a steak of fish, like a kingfish or something like that. Today what I've got some cubed fish. We're going to fry it up really quickly with some lovely spices and a few vegetables. It is really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let me run through what we have. I've got 2 cups, or just over actually, of fish. I'm using a cod or a hamor, like a kind of grouper. You could use any fish that you want, really. Here I've got a teaspoon each of chili powder, garam masala powder, and turmeric. Onion, chopped nice and small, couple of tablespoons. Tablespoon of oil. I'm just using a regular sunflower oil. You can change that if you want. Teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Fresh chili, entirely up to you how much you want to put in. Teaspoon of cumin seeds. A tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Curry leaves, if you can get them, fantastic, fresh. If not, try and get them dried. There's a few there. You can see how many I've got, about a tablespoon. Couple of tablespoons of cilantro or coriander. Tablespoon of lemon juice, and just maybe over 2 tablespoons of tomato. Really easy this is, and really delicious. So you can see the size of the fish I've got there. Nice bite-sized pieces. Now if you want, and regularly, what you'd normally do in fact, is you'd have a fish steak, like a kingfish steak for fish fry, but I'm using a different fish, and like I say, I'm cubing it. What we're going to do is drop in the oil, the lemon juice or lime juice, the salt and the pepper, and then these 3 spices. Garam masala powder, that's a kind of nice finishing powder. It's kind of a mixture of many things in there. And then we've got turmeric and chili. And then what I'm going to do, I've got a little sexy glove on. We're just going to mix that through, and then we're going to get to the cooker. So you're going to need a frying pan or a skillet or something like that. I've just got another tablespoon or so of oil in there. The heat's on, above medium heat. I'm dropping in the cumin seeds. Then I'm going to drop in the curry leaves. Just for a few seconds, let them do their thing. They're both going to infuse the oil. Then we're going to go in with that little bit of onion, the garlic ginger paste, and then we're going to go in with our fish with the spices on. So above medium heat, 4 minutes, keep it moving. So 4 minutes is enough for this size fish that I've cut here. You can judge that, you might have cut it a bit bigger. Right, we're going to add some fresh chili to taste. I'm going to go in with that little bit of tomato. I'm going to go in with that cilantro or coriander. We're going to go for 3 more minutes only. Job done, ready to serve. And that's it. Absolutely beautiful, nice and simple. Got some lovely flavors going on in there. Like I say, use any fish that you want. Kingfish is nice. You want something fairly robust, you know what I mean? You don't want a kind of flaky fish, but yeah, that is beautiful. I hope you enjoy that. You keep safe, you keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.